There has been a lot of merger and acquisition activity in our industry over the past maybe 5 or 10 years. And when different companies come together, different organizations come together, it's a merging of cultures. And it takes a lot of work to figure out how to blend cultures together to make them cohesive. Leadership has to function like an inverted pyramid, so that foundationally leadership is at the bottom and they are working their way up to the top, to the most important people, which are the ones who are making the products. Culture really is such a nebulous term and it can mean so many different things. And when I got to meet Penny Patterson-Smith for the exec profile, I loved what she brought to this issue because she really highlighted how innovation is inherently part of Flowers culture. And I loved, she said something so important and I just loved it. She said that one of the first things they did in creating this position, which is Chief Innovation Officer, was define innovation. And that really gets at the heart of what their culture is, that they're not just shooting from the hip and coming up with ideas, that they want to innovate and they know that they can't do that until they define what that word means. And I think when you look at it that way, you can kind of look at what the cultures of your demographics that you're trying to serve are, and then figure out how to innovate to meet those needs. Culture permeates through every aspect of a company, and once companies can really get their heads around that and see what kind of company they want to be and apply that to every aspect of the business, I think then we can have a long-term positive impact on carrying our industry into the future.